Today I am going to say something about a science topic which is life process. Life process. The basic definition of life process is the basic process which are done by all living organisms to survive on this land. There are different type of life process like excretion, transportation, control and coordination, etc. And today I am going to say something about digestive system. It is done by it depends on type of organism and type of food is available. In plants it is done by the simple inorganic substance like carbon dioxide and water. The plant takes carbon dioxide from the environment and it takes water from the soil and make their own food. And after that my topic is about amoeba. Amoeba takes its food with the help of a temporary finger like projection. After acquiring food, it forms a food vacuole. In the food vacuole, the digestion of food takes place. After the digestion of food takes place, the absorbed food is diffused into cytoplasm. And we also know that the shape of amoeba is not fixed and it is unicellular. So there is no specific organ for its excretion. So any part of the amoeba ruptures and the waste product is removed from the body. After that, my topic is about human beings. It begins with our mouth and it ends with our anus. The human being acquire its food with the help of mouth. After that, it converts its large insoluble molecules of food into small insoluble molecules. After that, salivary gland release saliva. The two basic function of saliva is to make the food soft so that it can pass easily through the esophagus, and it also digests starch into simple sugar. After that, the food passes through the stomach. Stomach is a bag like structure which expands when food passes through it. It contains secretory glands which releases three enzymes, mucus, HCl and pepsin. The main function of HCl is to provide acidic medium to enzyme pepsin to act, and it also kills the bacteria present in the food. The pepsin digests protein, and the main function of mucus is to protect the inner lining of stomach. If enough mucus is not secreted by it, it can lead to ulcer, which is a small form of cancer, and it is very dangerous. After that the food passes to small intestine. With the help of anal sphincter, it goes into small intestine. The length of small intestine varies in different type of organism. Meat is very easier to digest, so the length of small intestine is in animals like lion and tiger is very short, but in animals like cow, the length of small intestine is very large because they have to digest cellulose. The small intestine got its secretion from pancreas and liver. The liver secrete a bile juice. The main function of bile juice is to break big fat molecules into small fat molecules, and it also provide basic medium to enzyme trypsin to act on it. The pancreas secrete pancreatic juice which contains trypsin and lipase. The trypsin digests protein and lipase convert fat into fatty acid and glycerol. After that, the intestinal wall of small intestine also secretes some enzymes, and the complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. It finally convert protein into amino acid, fat into fatty acid and glycerol, and carbohydrate is converted into glycerol. After that, the digested food is absorbed by the small intestine, and small intestine contains a villi which increase the surface area of absorption. After that, the food passes through the small intestine, then it goes through to the all individual cells with the help of blood. After that, the remaining undigested food pass through the large intestine, where the absorption of water takes place. After that, the food is released from the body. So the digestive system is very important function of every living organism, because without this no living organism can survive. Okay, thank you.
Very nice, Ayush, the way you have just described about the amoeba, microorganisms. Like this, we do have lots of organisms around this universe that has not been discovered yet. Okay, and it has been just specified that around more than 2000 species are there in the sea, and even the organism has been started from the water, and lots of things are there in the sea. Okay, so everything can just come under the science, but you need to visualize the things the way you need to think about anything, okay, around your world.